Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can fix the can't receive any emails in my Gmail inbox issue anymore. It is actually very simple, guys, and there are several potential fixes for this issue. So let us get started. The first option would be to simply check if the sender you would like to receive emails from but are actually not receiving any is maybe not listed as spam here in your Gmail inbox. What you may do to check that is simply access your Gmail inbox and head over to the spam folder here on the left hand side and simply go or browse through that spam folder here through all of these listed spam emails and check if there are emails from your sender. So if that's the case, guys, simply right click on the given email and select not spam, or simply move the given email with your left mouse to your inbox so that Gmail may learn to not mark emails from that sender as spam in the future anymore. So that's one option, guys. The other option would be to simply check if you still have some free space in your Gmail inbox. To do that, simply pay attention to the bottom left corner of your inbox and check how many percent of your storage you're currently using. As you can see, I'm currently using only up to 4% of my 15 GB in my storage or inbox here on Gmail, which means I have still quite a lot of space left. So if that's not the case for you guys, and if you're close to 99 or even 100% of your storage, make sure that you clean up your storage and delete as many emails as possible to free up some space. That's option number 2. And the last and third option, guys, would be to check if the sender you are not receiving any emails anymore has not been marked as spam. For example, after adding a spam filter to the given user. You may do that by entering your Gmail inbox settings in the top right corner and by selecting CL settings, and inside your Gmail inbox settings, switch from general to the filters and blocked addresses tab here. So here you may check if the given sender has been marked or labeled as a spam address by Gmail here. Maybe you accidentally labeled that email address yourself, so you're not receiving any emails from that sender anymore, or not getting notified because Gmail marks or labels emails from that sender as spam. So if that's the case, guys, simply go through these applied filters here below. And if you would like to remove the given filter and receive emails from the given sender address in the future again, simply click on delete here or edit the filter to change the status or label. So you may delete the filter, for example, and that is going to remove the filter from that sender so that you may receive emails from the sender in the future again. That will be moved automatically to your normal inbox. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope these solutions may help you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.